Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Silverware Basket Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Silverware Basket Assembly. The Silverware Basket Assembly is where you put the utensils in the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Once you have the rack out, you can lift the silverware basket out of it and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old silverware basket assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. They don't put the lids on, so we'll have to put those on before we put it into the dishwasher. We're going to put the end ones on first. They have pins on the end that we have to line up with the holes and put onto the basket. Once you have the end ones on, we can put the center one on. This one just sets into place. You just have to set it into place and snap it in. Once you have the silverware basket assembly put together, we can put it into the dishwasher. All you have to do is set it into place on the lower dish rack. Once you have it installed, you can push the lower rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.